Once we have tuned and identified one specific RF channel in the spectrum analyzer mode, we can move on to the measurements mode. Here we can see in detail all the quality measurements for that analog or digital signal we are tuning. In this case, we are tuning a DBBS2 signal. The measurements that will appear on the screen will depend on the type of signal we are tuning. Band is displaying the total power level received through the RF input, while power is the power level for the specific RF channel being tuned. Here we will find as well 3 sub-modes. In order to change from one sub-mode to another, we will need to press the Measurements Mode button. The first mode is Measurements 1 out of 3, where we can see separately each one of the measurements. If we press again, we will go to the Measurements 2 out of 3, in which we can see all the measurements and the spectrum analyzer trace, plus the TV demodulated picture. And in this mode, we can still move around in the spectrum analyzer trace. If we press again the Measurement Mode button, we will move to the Measurements 3 out of 3 screen, in which we can see simultaneously all the measurements for the signal we are tuning, plus all the modulation parameters for that signal. In the measurement mode, the keys F1, F2, and F3 let you access to the same menus that in the spectrum analyzer mode.